last year, I think we're good. Hold on a second. Okay, there we go. Here we are with Ritsuo Shingo in the taxi cab, and I guess I'm going to be the taxi cab interviewer. And my question, Ritsuo, last year when we were on a bus together, Paul Akers says, "What is TPS?"
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, and you said it's a bunch of small changes accumulated.
Yeah, accumulated.
To make
small improvement.
Small improvement
by people. Yeah,
and
accumulated.
what do you feel this year? Is it the same thing?
Oh, same.
And you said it takes on a life of its own. So TPS last year may not be TPS this year. Can you elaborate a little bit on what that means?
Oh, because that is a result of everybody participation, generally speaking. So that means everybody join the activity might think of new things every year. So add to the TPS. So TPS itself has been changing every year. That's why I know the TPS at the time of when I was in the Toyota, but even after that, maybe every year they are changing. So I think this year TPS could be different. That's what I mean. Always continuously, it's a changing. That is TPS.
Okay. I got another question. Now this came a question to Jeff Liker, and I'll tell Ritsuo what Jeff Liker says, but there's a concept of Kaikaku. Kaikaku is, big change. Big change. Now, and Jeff Liker says this. Jeff Liker says there's no Kaikaku, it's Kaizen. And after all these small changes, it would seem like a Kaikaku. And I don't know, do you feel the same way, Ritsuo? Is Kaikaku a whole bunch of Kaizen?
I don't know exactly what the difference between Kaikaku and Kaizen. Generally speaking, Kaikaku is like a revolution. It is a big change. The Kaizen is the better for improvement. So sounds like a small, but even in the small changes, small improvement, there could be a very good, big improvement. Like a SMED, that is not a small improvement. The one which my father created, SMED. So they came from daily activity. That came from the big interest that Toyota should do it, reduce the lead time, so that the market is changing quite rapidly. To meet that rapid change, we should change the quick over change. Otherwise, we will pile up the lot of inventory. That will not make sense. So depending on the situation, sometimes big change has been made. That is the maybe Kaikaku. So both Kaikaku and Kaizen, but similar way. Anyway, improvement.
Okay, well, thank you. Improvement is improvement. It's similar way. Small changes make up a Kaikaku, which could be a big change at the end of the day.
Yeah.
I know that I lost 70 pounds from the last time.
Big Kaikaku.
Yeah, that's a big Kaikaku. Yeah. And they were made of small changes every day, walking so many steps.
That's right.
Yeah, so this is very good. Now, Ritsuo, of course, you've been with Toyota a long time. Long time with Toyota, you've learned a lot of things, and I love the concept that you wrote a report every day, and you called it an A4, which is one piece of paper, maybe two pieces of paper.
Yeah.
And you said bad news first. And you said
it's a separate concept.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you used the report.
Yeah.
Now, is the report used by all sorts of people? Everybody uses an A4, or is it just certain people?
No. There's no regulation, no standard at all. For me, it is a report to the president.
Yeah.
The president has no time to read, so I should make it simple and simpler as much as possible. Otherwise, he cannot read in like a few minutes. So I should write everything simple, point to the point,
Right.
and 2 or 3 topics at once.
Now, did you learn that skill, or did you just
No,
knew?
no, it's not learn, but
Isn't it hard?
It's something I think that what is the purpose of this report? Who you are going to report? It is president. Who is him? He is a very busy person, and does he have any time to read? No, that's why I make it simple. 2 or 3 topics. 1, 2, 3. Simple statement. Then send. At most 2 pages, not more than that. So that is my thinking when I write the report. It depends on the case, who you report to what extent you should write. So it depends on.
Excellent. Okay, now let's see. What else can I ask Ritsuo Shingo? I'm going to see you in May,
Oh, really?
which is wonderful. I mean, what happens when you go to the shingo.org, which is, state of Utah, I guess, and you give the awards? How many people receive awards every year?
Oh, which something the Shingo Institute decide, not me.
Yeah, okay. And you give them a plaque, and they walk up.
Yeah. What I was doing is just I gave the instruction from Shingo Institute. Then okay, I don't know nothing about the how, and they
take care of everything.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. And it looks like we're almost here.
Yeah. Nagoya Castle. Yeah.
Yeah, this is very nice.
That castle. Yeah.
Oh wow! And we're going to the castle right after.
Yeah.
This is very nice. Nagoya Castle's next door,
Yeah.
and we're going for a wonderful lunch
Yeah.
with Ritsuo.
Yeah. Thank you.